Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Today we are cooking up the perfect duo, bold, spicy, and tongue-numbing Mapo Tofu and a rich, slow-simmered beef bone soup. Let's get started with the soup first. Place beef bones in a large pot, cover them with cold water. Bring it to a rolling boil, let it cook for 15 minutes. This helps remove the impurities for a cleaner bone broth. Now drain the bones and rinse them under warm water. Scrubbing off any scum, set them aside. Next, in a clean pot, add the blanched beef bones along with ginger slices, green onions, peanuts, Chinese daikon, carrots, dates, star anise, and a splash of Shaoxing wine. Pour in 8 to 10 cups of fresh water and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook magic for at least 1.5 hours. While the soup is simmering in the background, let's get on with preparing for the Mapo Tofu. Cut tofu into 1-inch cubes and place them in a pot of salted water and bring it to a boil for 2 minutes. This firms up the surface slightly. Drain carefully and set aside. Heat a dry pan on low heat. Roast the Sichuan peppercorns with a few dried chili peppers for 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. Let them cool, then grind into powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Next, cooking the base. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add ground meat. I'm using ground pork, and cook until browned and slightly crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes. In the same pan, push the cooked pork to one side, add more olive oil, Doubanjiang, which is a spicy bean paste, a signature sauce for Mapo Tofu, and another spicy bean paste. Add green onions, ginger, garlic, and ground Sichuan peppercorn and chili peppers. Stir until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then mix with the ground pork. Add some tap water, soy sauce, both light and dark. Then bring it to a simmer. Taste the base to ensure the flavor is well balanced. Carefully add drained tofu cubes into the pan. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes, letting the tofu absorb the sauce. Sprinkle with green onion tops on Mapo Tofu. Season the soup with salt and white pepper. Serve with a bowl of freshly steamed rice. There you have it. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.